Large models take a long time to complete, so printing overnight is the best solution. However, sometimes you might get an unexpected surprise. This time, the surprise was stringing halfway through the print, which was a hassle to deal with. Late at night, high humidity, and a long print time. Is wet filament inevitable? AMS Lite Plus Dryer. AMS Lite Heater. A Filadryer designed specifically for the fully open AMS Lite. No more worries about filaments getting damp from prolonged exposure to the air. Now, at least those annoying, never-ending stringing issues should be a thing of the past, right? Yes, we can have both perfect prints and a good night's sleep. AMS Lite Heater. Dry, print, play, repeat. Don't settle for just vibrant colors. Strive for consistent print quality from start to finish. AMS Lite Heater. Available for pre-order now.